Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh.
Welcome again, everybody. Yeah, man, it's me again, Ringo Vision. Yes, back in front of my family and friends. You understand? Our good vibes. How can we tackle this dilemma? You're probably wondering what dilemma am I talking about. But before we go into the dilemma, people, yeah, I just need each and every one of you to just quickly hit that notification button, our good vibes, yeah, and then make sure that you leave a comment and make sure that you subscribe. That is it, our good vibes. What dilemma am I talking about? We're talking about the crisis of homelessness here in the UK, the way it has risen in the last 3 to 5 years. It's risen so much that it's affected local high streets, it's affected local communities, that it's more apparent, it's more in your face. You can see it. You can see that there's homelessness in communities around the UK. It's just apparent. It's not hidden from you anymore, where you may see like a one homeless person outside of a shop, maybe asking for change, for money, for food, for drink, whatsoever. You understand? Everything's more highlighted, so that means it's rising. What can we do to tackle it? Okay, we're on the mission, we're out, we've got the kitchen out, we're giving out food, we're doing it 4 times a week. Yes, that's good, that's great. What can we implement with the food to tackle the crisis? Alright then, we've seen some issues that the people are facing, and I just want to highlight some of the issues that I've seen over the last 9 months, 10 months, and I mean consistently going out 3 to 4 times a week, to being able to identify a bit of the problem, and to also being able to analyze a solution on how the problem can be tackled. Yes, we initially came out with the kitchen and we're providing soup. Soup is very good, you understand? It's nutritious, it's healthy, it's revitalizing, it keeps them going. It also helps them to function properly throughout their day, having the right substance and minerals and vitamins going into their body, provided by the organic soup with a range of root vegetables and other provisions. You understand, people? Yeah. Okay. There is mental health. There is drug issues. There's alcohol issues, and there is natural crisis of people just hitting rock bottom. All right. In between those issues that I've just highlighted, one might have alcohol, mental health, and drug, and also hit rock bottom. It varies with all individuals that we come across. So an option which came to mind was, why not be able to help and encourage those that are first and foremost suffering from alcohol and drug related issues, if we come together, maybe we could encourage some of these individuals that actually want to make a change, that actually want a difference for themselves and want to come back into society. Rehab. And that also goes for the alcohol as well. Rehab. Rehabilitation. Do you understand? If you agree with me and you think that's a good solution and that's a good idea, people, yeah, I'm just throwing it out there as speaking to my people, them. You understand? And because we're all on this journey together, leave it in the comment section. Put it in the comment section. Throw your thoughts and throw your ideas through. I'm going through all there's hundreds and hundreds of comments, and I'm sieving through. If I don't reply and I just put like a thumbs up, a love heart, and a like, just understand that I'm acting on relation. I'm acknowledging it, and I'm acting on relation of the comments as well. So you might hear me talk about someone's comment or relay a few of the comments back in the videos as well. And a lot of you guys have been reaching out for various different things. You understand? I keep encouraging you lot to use the email that is provided. I'm also maybe going to be providing some form of WhatsApp where we can create like a group WhatsApp as well. And this will be for people that are members of the channel and a part of the members list as well in the YouTube, a part of the community. So yes, so we can also work with individuals that have that interest to work closely with Ringo Vision, or to work from a distance with Ringo Vision. You understand? According with the community and the homeless, we're going to try and to merge that together so that we can work together in different ways. Some of you guys are in other countries, some of you guys are around the UK, but let's try and put our thoughts and our minds and our actions together so that we're on the same track and we're trying to get to the same agenda, which is helping the people, providing aid, providing support to the local community, and especially the poor and needy and those that are homeless. We understand that there's a lot of other people that are out there that need the support as well, but hopefully what we're doing can trickle down onto other aspects and other areas of life, and just bubble back down into the whole humanity aspect of helping people and togetherness, unity, strength, and most of all having the love there, people. Yeah man, so a good vibe. So that idea which I've just mentioned about rehab, comments please in the comment section. I'm watching, I'm waiting for these comments to come through, so please leave those comments there and let's speak about them now. I think that is a good option, it's a good choice, especially as well some of these people that they're homeless first and foremost. Not some of them, they're homeless first and foremost, but they're going through different conditions. So rehab is also, if they get into and get accepted to go to rehab, that's also a form of housing as well, and housing support, and maybe be aiding them when they come back out of rehab to get some form of supportive living in and around of local communities, Croydon Borough. Within inside of the community, there's loads of charities that's offering aid and help and support. So it's about allocating some of the homeless people, because I've been doing some research on how to allocate them to different organizations that are there to also support their cause and their conditions. You understand, people? Yeah man, our good vibes, we're up on a journey and we're outside right now, and I just thought that let's do a catch up, let's talk about the journey, let's get some agendas out the way, you understand, and let's continue to push forward on the movement, on the agenda, and you understand. I'm going to give you guys a tally up in this video as well, how many people we've fed so far as well, which is a good vibes. Yes everybody, so I just thought yeah, man, I'm at my next destination and I'm talking to you guys again still, and I hope that you've thought about what I've just said and what I've been talking about in the sense of the solution. And I've got a next solution as well, what I feel that we can do to help the individuals that we meet on our journeys as well, is to also be able to provide them with an essential first aid kit as well, to also help them on their journey while they're facing their homelessness crisis. And the first aid kit will have the essential care pack in there to help them if they get any cuts, bruises, grazes, etc. You understand, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man, are good vibes. Care packs are also needed as well in the sense of hygiene and keeping their hygiene levels to certain levels as well, keeping it on point. You understand? So we definitely need care packs, fresh sleeping bags to maintain healthy hygiene levels as well. Also providing like rucksack that they could put all their essential gear in there while they're on their journey, like mainly like a camping backpack. You understand, people? Yeah. So yeah, man, we're on a mission, and these are some of the essential things that we're going to be doing on the journey while we're here providing the hot meals for the people. Then, you understand, people? Yeah, so our good vibes. Stay tuned on the journey. We've got more places to go right now. I've got a next destination I want to go to in a second. You understand? I just made a quick pit stop and I'm just talking to you guys. So yeah, man, if you like what's going on and what we're talking about right now, just leave a comment in the comment section and hit that notification. Yeah, man, and make sure that you stay subscribed, people. Yeah, our good vibes. Make up yourself. You understand? That is it. Yes, everybody. So it has to be a purpose. And without the purpose, you understand, it's like we're almost doing everything in vain. But what's so joyful about what we're doing is that it's all about everyone. You understand? It's all about humanity. It's all about you. And you understand, the people around you and the people around me. You understand? That's what's so great about this journey that we're on, people, yeah? And like I said, let's use this time effectively, just so that we can, what it is we want to do, we want to execute each stage, each day that we step out. We want to be able to execute each day and be effective with each day. We want to know that every time we come out with the pot, with the kitchen, and we connect with an individual, we want to know that we leave that individual with something, not just the food, but with some form of hope, with some form of clarity, to know that there's going to be changes, and changes are in process from the moment they're in contact with us. We just want to be able to offer that clarity and that extra reassurance for them. You understand, everybody? Yeah, man. So our good vibe. So the kitchen continues, and we had the meeting with the police. You understand? I'm hoping that each and every one of you have seen that video and seen the outcome. So there's no ban. There's no more ban. You understand? And at the same time, we're going to be stepping out 3 to 4 days a week, every week. Right now it's warming up here in the UK. The sun's coming out. It's getting brighter. It's getting a little bit less chillier. You understand? So guess what? It's that time where we go out and we be effective, because guess what? There's times now that we can go out, and because the weather's warmed up, we can go out and we can distribute like soup in the morning. Not soup, sorry, like porridge in the morning, first thing, like you know, like an oat porridge, a cornmeal porridge. Do you know what I mean? And deliver that to the homeless as well as after they have that, just a few hours after that, they'll be getting some form of hot meal, whether it's some soup, whether it's some stew. Do you understand, people? Yeah. So yeah, man, it's great to know that we're here on the journey so far. Last time I tallied up and I showed you guys that we fed 13,600. So we're well into 14,000. So we're just under 14,800. You understand, people, yeah? So 14,782 people. You understand? So far, 14,782. You understand, people, yeah? Are good vibes, that. Yeah, man, so are good vibes. Yes, everybody, so we have to stand up for the people, let me know. Yeah, man, we have to stand up for each and every one of us out here, people, yeah? You understand? It's a good vibes. And, you know, the essence of having the shopping trolley, let me tell you what the essence, the fundamental value of the shopping trolley, because a lot of people see the shopping trolley and they think, say, oh, Mr. Ringo, I push you on the shopping trolley. I wonder why you use the shopping trolley. You understand? Let me tell you why I use the shopping trolley, everybody, yeah? And if you know, growing up in certain parts of the world, especially like the Caribbean and probably Africa and Asia as well, people, yeah, we would have used something called a Jamaican handcart, or just a handcart in general, you understand? And this handcart was something that either a food vendor or someone that's providing food to the local community, or even your mum, your great-grandparents, would have obtained something like this, and if they didn't have a vehicle at the time. And this would have been their means and ways of being able to transport from one location to another location, to be able to provide essential provisions that they were supplying to the local community. So guess what? You see, just coming up from that offspring and growing up in Jamaica and back home in Clarendon, because a lot of you guys don't know where Ringo Vision come from. So Ringo Vision come from Clarendon, Jamaica, yeah? So a little bit of my life story. I grew up in a big house. In a big house in the sense of, like, we grew up on a farm. You understand? It's not no upstairs or downstairs. It's just one level. You understand? It was very in a rural location where it was surrounded by agriculture, surrounded by nature. You understand? On that farm was sugarcane, coconut trees, and other various fruits and vegetables were grown. But the main vegetation that was grown on that farm was sugarcane. My great-grandparents were farmers of sugarcane, people, yeah? And we grew up in a small town in Clarendon by the name of Mason River. Yeah, man, check it out, Google it, people, yeah? You understand? So Mason River is a small little district in Clarendon, people, yeah? And I go and give you guys some more info on that journey. Just let me know if you guys want to get a little bit of the life history and a little bit of the journey and a little bit of the background, you understand, as to how we're here in the UK right now, you understand, and we're there, so I feed the homeless people them, and I provide the essential values back to humanity, you understand, and I carry out the glorious work of the Most High Himself, you understand, people, yeah, cause it's a joy as well, it's such a joy as well to know that when I first started off cooking, especially expressing myself and just showing the food that I cook on YouTube. Like I said to you guys, check out the very first video that I done. It was just all about using the platform to just showcase the love that I had for food and the passion that I had behind cooking. You understand? When I was growing up as well, another thing I want to tell you as well, I was one of them ones that was always in the kitchen. My mum used to say to me, you always cook back pot. You always there in the kitchen, I cook some back pot, because they said back pot, yeah, past the hours of like 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, yeah, you'd see small junior Ringo, you know, in the kitchen, I whip up something for yam. You know? Oh my days. Yeah, that one there just a little bit of reminiscing, because it's a real life, you know, people me are telling about no joke thing now, real life me are telling about, you know. Yeah, backpack them and no normal things. So you see me having the passion and the joy and the love for food and coming and grew up on the farm. It's not a joke thing, it's a real life scenario, and I got so much to tell you guys on the journey, because more time you guys see me cooking and Ringo, I give you out the food and Ringo, I share the love, but I go and give you guys the insight on the journey of Ringo Vision and how we become where we are and why we're on the journey, because I'm starting to see the purpose, the full purpose of why we're here doing what we're doing. And it's all about togetherness, unity, love and strength. So guess what? until next time, people, yeah, look out for the next part to this one, yeah. Put it in the comment section and let me know if you know what I'm saying more story about Ringo. I know what I'm telling about what I go on. You understand? Because look, there's a lot of fun and excitement that I have to share with you guys. Not just the fact that we're here and we're helping humanity, yeah, but I'm a very joyful and bubbly person. I got beer vibes, you understand? And I don't enjoy things, so yeah, man, big up yourself, people, yeah. One love to each and every one of you, yeah, and good vibes. All right. Yes, people, just a good appreciation, you understand? Something different. Big up yourself, you're on the journey. The mission continues, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Oh, wow, wow. So look, we've got a few more coming. I thought there was just one, but there are three of them, you know? Look at that. Yeah, man, the three emu birds, them people, yeah? And the llama, them, they just air in this one little place outside. Look at, let me zoom in. Wow. So, have you ever seen a bird like this, people, yeah? Let me know, put it in the comment section. Have you ever seen a llama before? Let me know, put it in the comment section, people, yeah? Like I said, we're gonna be seeing loads of different type of things on the journey, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what I come across and where I go. You understand? It's so important to like just fill you guys in, you understand? Yeah, man, our good vibes now. We're outside now, and I'm just gonna appreciate this moment quickly. I'm gonna spin the camera around and let you guys have a little look. You understand? This emu here, yeah, he's very intrigued of myself here, just in front of him. So yeah, man, spin the camera around, people. Yeah, our good vibes. How could I not come out here just to show you guys this as well, people, yeah, while we're on the journey? Something different, you understand? There's something different for you guys, you understand? Okay, I think you guys would appreciate these emus. These are one of the biggest birds in the world, people, yeah? And then across over there, we got some llamas, you understand? Yeah, man, so real life llama, and you understand, the real life emu bird, you understand? They can push up his little face, you understand? And down there, we've got some llamas down there, people, yeah? Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're out, we're on the journey, a good vibes. For people, I'll be giving you guys a lot more wildlife reserves, you know, in the near future. We're just waiting for the sun to come out, and we're going to be out on the adventures, you understand, people, yeah? But until next time, thank you very much. One love to each and every one of you, you understand? Let's find a solution to solve this pandemic of homelessness here in the UK, people, yeah? Our good vibes.